If you refer back to the composite, you will see that there is a text margin on either side of the content region. Currently, text and horizontal rules run until the edge of the element. There is a slight challenge here because we want some padding for the text and horizontal rules, but not the photo. That should still bleed until the edge of that div element. This means we can't use the .content class to set a general padding space. To work around that challenge, we will nest all elements that need padding inside a dedicated div we'll name .body-copy and use that to style the padding. For continuity, we'll add a right and left padding of 20 pixels on each side. This means that 40 pixels needs to be subtracted from the width of the parent element, in this instance, .content. 40 subtracted from 600 is 560. This will be the width of the new div. Select all the appropriate elements in Design View first. Once it is highlighted, change over to Code View to ensure that all opening and closing tags are included in your selection. If something is amiss, reselect it. In the Insert panel, choose Insert Div Tag. Leave Wrap Around selection next to the Insert command. Next to Class, type in Body, -copy. Click OK. Switch to wildstyles.css and make sure the insertion point is flickering after the footer. Type in .body-copy open brace. Choose width from the drop-down and type in 560 pixels, semicolon. Begin a new line by hitting Enter on your keyboard. Type padding-right, colon, 20 pixels, semicolon, and padding-left, colon, 20 pixels, semicolon on the next line. Remember to close it with a brace. Let us view our progress in Design View. That looks good. And to make sure, let's double check it in a browser.